Hi everyone, we're the Rightly So, and for those of you who don't know who we are, we're an acoustic duo from Buffalo, New York, and since January of 2018, we've been touring independently and full-time in our homemade RV van. We've played over 100 shows in 20 different states this year alone.
We've created and shared a lot of really exciting experiences and great new music with you guys over the past year, but now we're hoping to take things one step further.
It's hard to slow down when you're spinning your wheels. Can't get no traction, I know how it feels. Watch the bills pile up, they call with the news. Yes, I know it's late, ain't a thing that I can do. Guess I'm going hungry and I'm going alone. Headed way too fast, straight into the unknown. White knuckles on the wheel, I'm going 85. Wanna throw this thing in neutral, wanna hit a red light. Not sure how I ever let it get this far, and all I wanna do, just wanna crash this car.
They say I'm doing great with a pat on the back. It's people like you they put on the fast track. Keep your nose to the ground, give up just 10 more years. If you're a lucky one, you'll still be tied up here. If you're a lucky one, you'll still be tied up here. White knuckles on the wheel and I'm going 85. This road goes on forever, there ain't no end in sight. I'm not sure how I ever let it get this far, and all I wanna do, just wanna crash this car.
I'm not the racing type, I swear. I'm headed head first straight to nowhere. White knuckles on the wheel, I'm going 85. Then
White knuckles on the wheel and I'm going 85. I'm
not sure how I ever let it get this far.
I'm not sure how I ever let it get this far.
This car.
All I wanna do, just wanna crash this
All
car.
I wanna do, just wanna crash this car.
All I wanna do, just wanna crash this
All
car.
I wanna do, just wanna crash this car.